Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'm going to be reviewing this premium pickleball paddle set by Bearwill. Something you'll notice right away is the actual weight and the grip of the paddles. It does have a very breathable grip here, as you can see, which is very good, especially if you're outside and your hands start getting sweaty. It's going to really wick away that sweat. Also, the weight of the weight of a paddle is very important in pickleball. So you can immediately tell right away that it's made out of fiberglass and that the weight is distributed evenly. So we're actually going to take you out on the pickleball court, show you them in action, and actually talk a little bit more about what comes in the case. All right, so let's go. All right, so we have arrived to the pickleball courts. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the very first thing, and that's actually what comes in the set. So you see that there's 4 balls. There's going to be 2 indoor and 2 outdoor. It's going to come with 2 paddles. As you can see, I actually leave the bubble wrap in the case just for when actually the paddles are in the case together, that they don't rub up against one another. Now, I mentioned that there's 2 sets of balls. The ones with the large holes are actually for indoor. And then the ones, so you can see here that there is that distinct difference. The ones with the smaller holes, these small holes are for outdoor use, all right? So I like that it comes with both of those. And then again, love this case. You can throw your keys in, water bottle, very easy to take with you. You can see it has a shoulder strap as well with it. All right, so let's put these paddles into action. First off, you're gonna notice that they're really lightweight, so swinging them around feels smooth and you can totally control your shots due to really the responsiveness of the fiberglass. For beginners like us, they're easy to get the hang of things, and even if you're a pro, these paddles have a good weight and balance that will keep you competitive. Plus, you can tell that they're really durable, so you're not worrying about them getting banged up during a heated match, or whether you're just simply dinging them back and forth for practice or serving, these paddles, again, are meant to last. Overall, I think fiberglass paddles really make pickleball easier and more fun for everyone because, again, due to the responsiveness of them. Whether you're just getting started or a seasoned player, these paddles offer a smooth, balanced play that's really worth checking out in my opinion. So I hope you enjoy playing with these as much as we do.